There's bullets in there too. I took them out of the cylinder.
Any bullets in it or no?
Yeah, they're inside the bag. They're right there.
Welcome back to another episode of the Michigan Magnet Man. I am here today with the Motor City Magnet Fisher and my buddy Theron back here. We are on Theron's boat and we are heading out here onto the river down in Detroit in the E-Course area to toss our magnets. There are some spots that we have not been able to access from a bridge or anything like that, so we're going to be able to get out there with the boat and hopefully we got some good luck. I'm doing it with both all of us in it.
No, the rod holder's off.
Have my sea legs.
If you guys want to put anything in here, this is a good safe spot. Water's super dirty right now. Where they did it. Holy Jesus.
Fire extinguisher.
Yeah, that's what that is.
And on my first find of the day, I've got a fire extinguisher. Not a bad start.
Oh, wow.
And on that find, we got a fence post. Jason just pulled in this knife. First knife of the day.
8 foot. From here to that island, it gets shallower. And look where we are.
Out the middle.
Center of the friggin' river. It's the salt.
Now this was my first time magnet fishing off of a boat, and I would have to say it was a really good time. There's a lot of really good sights on the side too. Like if you look there, you can see the new bridge that is going to be connecting Detroit over to Canada. We even got to pull up underneath the Ambassador Bridge, which was really cool because we've magnet fished down along the base before.
Oh,
What is that?
an anchor and a basket.
Wow! You guys, look at this. I just pulled up this little basket here, and I've also got a boat anchor. How sick is that? Woo! Not a bad find.
No, that's not.
I like that little basket. That's cool. I'm gonna keep that and this anchor.
Let's see if the boat's attached to the anchor. That was the first thing you grabbed.
Oh, it's Hoffa at the other end.
Let's see how long this rope is. I've been wanting to get a boat anchor. It's on my bucket list after Jason caught 3 the one day.
Oh, you got a weight on there too.
2 the one day, yeah.
Old Navy anchor.
That looks just like the one I got, man.
Awesome. And right off the bat, Jason pulls up a gun.
It's empty. It's not a 38. I don't know what that is. Awesome. Very awesome. Harrington and Richards.
H&R.
It's a cheapie.
I found an H&R before.
3 bullets that just came out of that gun.
It's a 32.
Yep. It ain't.
I'd say maybe a year at the most.
Yeah. Wow. Yep. We're gonna stick that in there.
Gun number 1.
Oh, it's a Harbor Master. Harbor Master on Belle Isle.
Oh, grab the rope, tie off.
How's it going, sir?
What you got now?
Hold a handgun out of water. There's bullets in there too. I took them out of the cylinder.
Any bullets in it or no?
Yeah, they're inside the bag.
Let me get your driver's license.
Yes, sir. Sorry to be.
Where'd you find it at?
Down under the second arch.
Span.
Him and I both, we have our own YouTube channels. We go around cleaning up the waterways around Detroit. Well, I do. He does all over. This is the 9th one I've turned in. This is our first time doing it from a boat. Sorry, we thought they were just going down the river. We didn't realize that they were docking.
Oh,
I figured we just wave them down and save myself a trip to the police station.
pretty functional. We were able to open it and unload it. Camera moves too.
Surprises. Yeah, it's been they haven't been down there that long then.
Nope, less than a year.
It's an old gun though. I don't think Harrington and Richards still makes revolvers, do they?
Yeah.
They do.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, that used to be the Walmart brand for
That's
shotguns.
an older gun, though. It's probably a gun from Sears, to tell you the truth.
Yeah, 1960 vintage probably.
If you notice, it had 2 hollow points and 1 small
Shorty.
round nose shorty in there.
Huh.
Yeah, the 3 rounds that came out of it are not all the same.
There was no amputations that we seen. I didn't really look at it.
I did. When I took it out, there was no amputation. What, my second throw there?
Yeah, literally your second
What
throw.
are you using to get it?
Magnets.
Magnets.
Here's an example of some.
Now, how about anchors? You guys ever get anchors?
He just got an anchor.
How do they stick to the anchor?
Pretty good, pretty good. Let
And
me
then
grab-
you're able to pull them up or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this one right here has got a lifting weight of about 1,200 pounds in
This one-
perfect condition.
How do you separate
Hit it real
See
hard.
that, though? He's got his GoPro hooked up.
Luckily, there's mud and stuff
You
in
can see
between.
everything on the bottom, too, when you use the film.
Oh, wow.
I actually stopped in here last summer and talked to a couple of guys because the DNR gave me permission to magnet fish off the bridge. And
What bridge?
this one right here.
They didn't have a problem with that?
No. He said just anything of historical value, make sure it goes to him, and anything
It goes to him. That's
Exactly.
yeah.
goes
I'll
to,
take it.
goes to the DNR. But he said any guns obviously go to Detroit Police.
Oh no, they go to the DNR. They should. Because that's their
Let's
bridge.
do that with the paperwork.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anything else?
Garbage.
Is that a long gun?
No. No, just some pipes.
I wish it was. Make for a
The,
great
the guns do really good on YouTube.
What size magnet are you guys using?
I got one that pulls out 3,400
No.
pounds.
I can write it down for you, though.
24, 25.
Okay.
Well, I got your name. I'll just put on there.
They all
Magnet.
vary.
Oh, what do you call that? Magnet fishing?
Yeah. I'm named my channel and everything you'll find me online is Motor City Magnet Fishers.
Come on in if you want. I
I
got you.
really appreciate it.
That's fine.
Around there.
And boy, did we have to pee. And this officer, he was nice enough to let us head inside the clubhouse and use their own bathroom. Now on the way in, we got to check out their other boats. It was really cool to see how big of a boat that they use for their dive team.
See, the bottom line, dude, I'm not driving around with a gun that was more than likely used in a homicide or a robbery or something like that in my car.
Thank you. Looks like a bell almost. And a piece of bar.
I might have to start doing charters for magnet fishing.
I did that on purpose.
That's
Ooh, what is that? Look at this, guys. It looks like some sort of knob from like a shifter or something on a piece of machinery. Something like that. It's like a dipstick on it or something.
Tommy gun.
Ooh.
What was that?
TV bracket, it looked like. And look
Hey,
at that little sinker, guys.
little handline sinker.
All you, man.
That's awesome.
And on that line, I just got a big piece of metal. And right, every time I see something shaped like that, we got a big piece of rebar, guys. And on that find, I got the end of a tape measure. You guys, and Theron just pulled up another gun. Look at
Smith & Wesson. That's an old boy
that's a
right there.
keeper right there.
That's an old boy. They even got rocks growing on it. Jeez. There you go, whoa.
That's an old one, dude.
Look at it, even took the metal with it a little bit. Afraid to take this one off.
I got your boo.
Still got the front sight on it.
First gun, bro.
First gun. Woo. Heck yeah. Super cool.
Now I gotta find one. That's so sick, dude.
Be my new carry gun. I'm afraid to take this one off. That's an old one, man. That's an actual bird's head pistol grip. Dude, I was gonna say it like I'm gonna end up finding a gun in this one. And you called it before when we got in there.
I said who was next.
Yo, you did.
Well, let's get back up in there.
What is that? What is that? Some sort of tool. This is wood.
Dude, it's part of a sled. It's part of a.
Yeah,
it
an
is.
old ice sled.
It is part of an old toboggan or something. Look at that, guys. All part of the
looking
sled.
like I know that looks really.
And Jason just pulled up this old combination lock. Man, isn't that fun? Oh, I have a giant piece of cable, guys. Ooh. I found these before. I don't know what it is. I found some of these in Lansing. Just random scrap.
Galvanized pipe.
I had them like coat hangers and.
No fishing hook.
What is that?
Random piece of bar. It looks like a magazine. Almost. I don't know. There's a piece of line, but a little bar. What a piece of bar, guys. And then I find I got this little piece of fishing line with a little tiny piece of bait on it. And on that find, guys, I've got the inside part of some old handcuffs. Look at that.
If you clamp it and pull this down, and put tension on the spring.
That's fine, dude.
Comment if you know what it is.
Let's go with the muck. That's still pretty good.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Mufflers have a lot of change to it.
Railroad spike and some type of bracket here.
And on that find, I just got some more rebar. A piece of rebar. On that find, we just got a little piece of rebar. We're coming up to this spot where we're gonna have some tight clearing. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna lay back and try to make it up underneath.
Back up. Oh shit, we're gonna make it, bro. Aaron called that one.
Wow! Look at this clearance, guys. I can touch the bridge above us. Look at that.
Have trust in your captain.
And this is where all the pollution comes in.
Lost one. Nice fish. Rebar.
Ooh, he's got a sucker on it too. And I just got this piece of rebar.
And a perch rig.
That is going to be all for today's video, guys. Now I just want to say a special thanks out to Theron for taking us out on his boat today, and here's some more information on where you guys can catch him in his charter boat.
Keep an eye out. I'll be chartering in 2022 out here on the Detroit River for walleye and sturgeon on St. Clair. Let me know. Check out my TikTok. You can see some of my fishing videos on there. Facebook also. And come check me out at the Dip Net right here on Southfield and Jefferson and Ecorse. And we'll set you up for everything you need for walleye, short fishing, whatever it may be.
So if you guys have not headed over to the Motor City Magnet Fishers page, make sure you guys head over to his page and hit subscribe. Let him know down in the comments I sent you. I post new clips over to my Instagram every single day and new videos over to my YouTube channel every single Friday. I'll see you guys next week.